My name is Alok Bansal. I'm your friend and a career counselor. I'm very excited today to invite you to a very large event called Synergy 2019. It's organized by SGT University here in Gurugram. Over the years, Synergy has carved a niche for itself as one of the largest events for students in Northern India. Students from schools, colleges and universities come and participate in various events. This year, the event is being organized between 10th to 12th of October. The main highlights are we have robot competition, we have a drone competition, we have a nukkad competition on issues of social interest. The interesting part is here the students can come and explore what is being displayed by others, projects. They can learn from them. It's another opportunity for them to collaborate and present their exhibits for judgment by experienced people from the industry. Please understand there are more than 3 lakh worth of cash prizes to be won here. And third, you have nukkad competition, which is an amazing opportunity for students to unwind, understand, learn about social issues. Please note more than 300 schools and universities and colleges have already registered to come here and participate. So we are ready to welcome you. Thank you.